Greetings, everyone. I hope all is well. Today, we embarked on an extraordinary journey into how AI, artificial intelligence, could reshape the Caribbean. The Caribbean is a region celebrated by its diverse set of cultures, breathtaking landscape, and the spirit of resilience. AI is not just about a technological leap, but it can be a catalyst for comprehensive societal and personal transformation across every Caribbean country. And this connection can be made to education and commerce. And of course, it can create industries and ensure that our governance is steadfast. When we explore the concept of education, it can craft the future through personalized learning. In the realm of education, AI emerges as a beacon of hope. Imagine a classroom in Jamaica or Trinidad and Tobago, where AI transcends the traditional teaching methods, offering personalized educational experiences to every student, and of course this experience is unique to them and can align with the pace of learning and the style of their learning. This technological marvel can be particularly transformational in large class sizes, providing individual attention that might otherwise be unattainable. Moreover, in a region prone to natural calamities like hurricane, AI's role in facilitating uninterrupted remote learning is nothing short of revolutionary, ensuring that the doors of education remain open even in the face of disaster. Transitioning to commerce, AI stands, of course, at the forefront. Consider the Caribbean's tourism sector, an economic powerhouse. Here, AI can personalize marketing strategies, tailor vacation packages for tourists, and of course, ensure that they are right. In agriculture, another cornerstone of the Caribbean, AI's predictive analytics can revolutionize the supply chain, optimizing crop yields. AI can also empower local entrepreneurs like those in Barbados with deep insights into global market trends, thus leveling the playing field in international commerce. Furthermore, AI financial technologies promise to bridge the banking gap in underbanked communities, igniting economic growth and, of course, stability. What more could we ask for? AI can also increase that creativity. Artists, musicians, writers can harness AI to push the boundaries of their art, reaching global audience while staying tuned to their cultural roots. Imagine AI platforms aiding Trinidad's calypso musicians in crafting rhythms that resonate with contemporary taste, yet it is deeply rooted in its tradition. AI can play a critical role in preserving cultural legacies by digitizing and analyzing historical artifacts, thus making a rich Caribbean heritage more accessible and captivating to the world. Addressing the critical issues of corruption is important. AI can emerge as a stalwart for transparency and integrity. AI algorithms can vigilantly monitor government spending and procurement, flogging irregularities and potential corruption. In nations like Haiti, Jamaica, and of course other countries where corruption poses significant challenges, AI can offer transparency and of course provide insights into government agencies' operations. With AI, there's a possibility of streamlining legal and regulatory processes, further cutting down the cost and ensuring that corruption is reduced. Of course, this would lead to the enhancement of government efficiency. Social engagement in building communities is important. AI's potential to transform social engagement in the Caribbean is boundless. AI-powered platforms can foster discussions that are pivotal to social and political issues, bringing together the Caribbean voices in a unified way. For instance, AI could analyze public sentiment on social media regarding climate change, informing policies that are truly reflective of public concerns. Let me say in conclusion, AI's introduction into the Caribbean signals a technological advancement, but the journey towards a sustainable and innovative future requires investment. This journey promises a more accessible and personalized educational pathway, effective government expansion and effort, enriching creativity in the Caribbean, and ensuring that governments are transparent. And of course, this will lead to greater social engagement. As we embrace these AI-driven changes, We envision a Caribbean that is not only at the forefront of technological innovation, but also a beacon of unity, resilience, sustainable growth. Thanks for joining me, and of course, remember, follow me to learn more about artificial intelligence. The future is not just coming, it is here, and it is powered by AI. And of course, the Caribbean needs to embrace this. I am Rohan Jawala, and please remember to subscribe and click on the notification button